All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday phrasal verb. So break up. So maybe try and get a picture. Smash or break. Not quite. Okay, so yeah. So break. Yeah, something falls apart or disintegrates. Let's try and get a picture. Melt, maybe. Melt. No, okay, not quite. Let's try liquid. Yeah, here we are. So here we are. Yeah, so something like disintegrates. So like the ice melt. It disintegrates. Let's try and get a picture. So sun. There we are. Where is it? There we are. So the sun plus the ice, and it melts, it disintegrates, it falls apart. Or to fracture. To fracture. Like here, to break the glass. Yeah. I'm breaking up this event. The signal is breaking up. It is disintegrating. It is like melting, falling apart. Yeah, melt. I can't. What was that? Say what? Disintegrating. Yeah. They will break up the meeting. I need to break up this group of people. There's a crowd. Break up the crowd. There's a crowd of people. Break them up. So they go their separate ways. Yeah. She wants to break up with me. This break up will be hard. Yes. Let's try and get a break up in this case. So like a heart like that. Try that again. There we are. Yeah, this break up will be hard. Yes. Very good. Yeah. So they broke up yesterday. That relationship broke up ages ago. Yeah. They broke up because he did not want her. Yeah, it broke up. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Are you thinking about breaking it up? What can you break up the bread into smaller pieces? Let's try and get a picture of bread. Yes, exactly. Yeah, the bread into smaller pieces. The bread. You got a loaf of bread. You break it up, and different pieces here, different pieces there. Yeah. Let's try that again. Bread. Let's get. Oh yes, this will do. Yeah, the bread. There we are. Into smaller pieces. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? If it happens, then that might break up. Yeah, so if we are going too fast, then parts of the car might break up as it crashes into things. Yeah, things will break up. You could even say break off. Well, it's separated from the rest and go a different way. Yeah. Yeah. Don't break up that pipe. It is fragile. Yeah, it's fragile. Be careful, delicate with it. Oh. Yeah. Don't break it up. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Language explorer. So break up. Something falls apart, disintegrates or fractures. Now let's try and get a picture. Okay, right. Look at try and get something for fracture. No, not quite. Okay, so like you got some glass and it's got a crack in it. It's damaged and it's falling apart. Yeah. So, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Now, can you use break up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can also find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.